happy love over and over. And the factory is 3,000 miles away. So how can we know facts from day to day? Should I sit and wait? Should I paint my name across the screen? That can make anything I want to come and go. Thinking I control my destiny. I control my destiny. Well, I see two roads ahead of me. I control my destiny. But something has to be found. Coming in on, the world's just caving in on. Nobody's in the time and space, moving at a faster pace. My dream said I'm picturing us. I'm free from all of this stuff, baby. No. Do I sit and wait? Do I paint my name across the screen? That can make anything I want to come and go. Thinking I control my destiny. I control my destiny. Well, I see these roads ahead Thank you guys so much for grooving with us today.